Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa with chicken broth, easy method. Rinse 1 cup quinoa, toast in a saucepan for 2 minutes, add 2 cups chicken broth, bring to a boil, cover and simmer 15 minutes, then fluff with a fork and rest 5 minutes. Season with 1/2 teaspoons salt and a dab of butter or olive oil, taste and adjust seasoning, and serve warm as a side or base for salads and bowls. Start with 1 cup quinoa and 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth for balanced flavor and texture. Use white or tricolor quinoa for quicker cook times or toasted brown for nuttier taste. Optional aromatics include 1 minced garlic clove, 1/4 cup chopped onion, and 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter. Add them when toasting the quinoa for extra depth. These small additions make a big difference in flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while cooking and on the go. It looks great in kitchen shots and fits most cup holders. I picked this up recently and enjoy its leak-proof cap and wide mouth for easy filling. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a saucepan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon oil or butter and toast the rinsed quinoa for 2 minutes until fragrant. Pour in 2 cups chicken broth, bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to low and cover. Simmer undisturbed for 15 minutes, remove from heat, let sit covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork and adjust seasoning to taste before plating. This gives consistent, fluffy quinoa every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.